a beautiful day at the grocery store. Uh-oh, looks like there's some spilled tomato sauce. Here comes the slide.
Decided to come to hmart to grab some food for lunch. So I'm pumped and excited about that. I love it. I should have brought my tripod stand. It wasn't, that's not the exact one where you got it from. That's alright though. So that place was supposed to be where we got my parents' boutique, or whatever the hell it was called from. So, yeah. So I'm about to see what's in here. Super pumped up, different foodie places. Let's
So you get the other one, but you go over there.
see, let me zoom in on my barbecue.
It's like, it comes off with like a nice aesthetic when you get it.
Okay, let's
But you can do that, or you can go downstairs. You can go to the market. And you want to go look in the market?
What's in the market? Is it food that we can eat now?
Some of it is.
Let's see.
We gotta cook.
Bottom half of the plaza. We're still ain't getting something to eat. I'm looking for. We're gonna see what this meal is that she's gonna gather up for us tonight. So I'm excited. I want to say super excited because if I don't know how my stomach might play out with this, but I'm pumped and excited. So let's see.
Reviews of ribeye.
Let's do it. We're still waiting for her to get the food. Brother, no. Brother, no. I definitely live in this department though. Definitely live in this department. Definitely. We about to get out of here. Let's go. Okay guys, so for lunch we decided to grab some stuff from hmart, and then we're going to head back to the house, and babe is going to make me an awesome meal that I have no idea what is in store for it. However, I'm super pumped up, and now we're going to stop in this other store to get some. She's going to get some. She's going to go ahead and grab some of these stuff. So I'm excited about that. And I don't know why the heck I gotta keep saying babe too. I gotta get out of the habit of that. I've been saying that. Don't call me that. I've been calling her that and shit. So yeah, anyways, hold on, cause I don't know why she stopped there.
They have pineapple, strawberries. You know what? I have one. And I don't know where.
Alright, so I'm gonna videos. So yeah. What is this? The mango yogurt slush. That's yours. And you got the mango jasmine green tea. Wait, is that one? The little one's in this?
Yes.
And this one is the strawberry slush. It's not what I expected, but that's alright. It's totally fine.
My first one, I didn't like.
I didn't like my first one either, so you'll be alright. We're getting out of here officially. We stopped at the second store. We're officially getting out of here. I'm gonna try this little bad boy right here that Queen threw me on to see what's hitting for. Definitely should have said extra sugar, but it is what it is. We got the food and everything, getting out of here. Like I said, Queen's gonna make us an amazing meal as always. Gonna head back to the house, finish up some stuff for today. It's Thursday, so I'm off. I'm giving you guys some feedback on what the hell I'm doing and what's going on. So other than that, we getting out of here. That was my adventures at hmart. I'm going to try this little bad boy out and see how the day goes. Okay.
Okay? Your mouth hot? spicy just by eating all the kimchi at one time with nothing, like no rice or nothing.
Why?
Can I get something to drink, please?
Why would you eat that like that?
I might mix it with rice.
This is how the night ended, guys. We just was repeating that before the video started. This is how the night ended. Had a glass of wine and all the good stuff. I'm gonna finish up. Anissa's looking at me crazy. This is what it's like to be in the life of a vlogger. Nonetheless, I'm gonna get out of here because we're about to have some dinner, and then I'll come back and probably do a video tomorrow and do a nightcap of what actually happened. So, you wanna end with any notes? Have a good night from us.